This infographic explains how a bellless top charging system is used to create and control a central coke chimney inside the blast furnace. Unlike conventional charging system, the bellless top allows coke to be charged directly into the furnace center. This creates a highly permeable central coke column, promoting strong upward gas flow and improving furnace permeability. However, gas flow is not controlled by coke alone. It is strongly influenced by coke to ore ratio across the furnace radius. More coke in the center encourages central gas flow, while excessive ore in the center can restrict permeability and weaken the gas distribution. Another critical factor is the distribution of fines. Fine particle can occupy void spaces between body and material, increasing resistance to gas flow and altering the gas flow pattern. Therefore, burden distribution strategy must balance scope, ore and fines across the furnace radius. By properly adjusting the chute angle and the charging sequence, operators can build an optimal coke chimney, achieve a stable gas flow, improve reduction efficiency and maintain consistent blast furnace performance. The key takeaway is effective burden distribution is one of the most important and powerful tool for controlling furnaces gas flow and